Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Today we're going to get some mirrors installed on Duramax here. Let's get a cold start, get her down to the shop, and get started. Love that sound in the morning. Okay, well, unfortunately, the exhaust is not coming out of the back right now. It's actually coming out right there. Because unfortunately, the muffler clamp came loose and fell apart. We'll get that thing fixed. So let's get this thing down the shop and get the mirrors installed. All right, everybody, we are at the shop now. Let's go get the doors opened up and unbox these mirrors, see what they look like. Yeah, one of these days I'll have a garage door back on here again. But for now, these doors work just fine. Okay, here are the mirrors we went with. They're called Most Plus. Yeah. They're, like I said, they're just an eBay mirror. Let's get this box opened up here, see what they look like. There's the one. The other one. All honesty, not too bad. They're actually pretty hefty. Don't look like the mirror flexes too much, and they do extend without too much problems. Check out this other one. Yeah, the mirror's not too wiggly. Only one thing I see is going to have to go is there's chrome right here around the light. So we're going to have to do something about that. But they have the reverse lights, turn signals, and sequential turn signals on the front here. So let's head to the truck and start tearing that apart. Pull the old ones off and put these new ones on. All right, over here at the truck, there's got to remove that piece. And it looks like my bolt's already working itself out. Got to remove that piece like that. And then got to remove this piece, which is the trickiest. If I can actually show you guys here. And just work this slowly right up around, because there's little like clips that just clip on, and that is a very thin piece. And then we have bolts here, here, there, and then two there. And for me, because my door panel kept flying off, I got a Phillips screw right there. So I'm gonna get these removed and then pull the door panel off. All right, all bolts removed, as you can see. And then just gotta pull this off, put that to the side, and slowly work this up. Now this is off. I wish I would have had a switch, because yeah, that buttons don't work. That one and that one don't work on this side. But I'm gonna get this unbuttoned. Well, I'm unplugged, and then I think this door panel is ready to come off. It's just kind of flopping over here, at least mine is. But you should have Christmas tree clips like, let's see if they'll focus, like that one right there. All right, one thing I forgot is this has to come off too, which is just pops. See, little metal clips. You gotta take your lock off too. I forgot. All right, door panel's off. I've already removed the little foam block that goes in there. That's this thing that goes in there. And just got the bolts. Got this. Okay, I understand. This is actually pretty hard to try to do with one hand. All right, I'll unplug that and just feed the wire back and we'll pull the mirror off. All right, door's all ripped apart now. The old mirror is off. Now, well, let's see if I can get this focused. Let's go see if that plug's the same plug on the new mirrors. Looks like I might take a little bit and clean that. I think we're in luck, boys and girls. That looks an identical plug. So that'll be kind of nice. Plug and play. All right, let's go get this one installed now. Okay, got it all cleaned up. Now we can get the new one installed. One thing I thought was pretty cool about these mirrors is it has like a catch tab right there. So it clicks in that hole. So even if you let go, it doesn't fall on the ground. It's kind of nice. And there you can see how that catch tab works. That's what I was talking about. All right, mirror is all installed. Got it plugged in. Gonna turn the key on, see how it looks. Turn the turn signal on. There's the turn signal on this side. And there's the sequential turn signal on the front. But I'm gonna have to do something about that chrome because that is gonna bug me. Maybe we'll just put some tint over this and tint it in, make it all black. But I'm gonna get this door panel. I'm gonna get this door panel, put it back on, figure out where this wire goes for the backup light on the mirror. And I'm just gonna do the other side because I already showed you guys how to do this here on this side. Don't want to bore you with doing both sides. So I'll get the other side on, get this door panel all put back together, and I'll be back with you. All right, both mirrors are installed. There's my son building a wonky bicycle. I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but we'll find out later. But anyhow, now how I actually did the wiring for the backup lights, I actually went on to Boost Auto Parts YouTube channel and followed their instructions. So I know these are not Boost Auto Part mirrors, but they're pretty much the same instructions. So now we're going to see if they, oh crap, doors are locked. All right, now let's we're going to see if the functions all work right. Got to get the keys, turn the keys on. I'm just going to turn the 4-ways on. All right, there's with the 4-ways on. So they look pretty darn good. One first feature tested anyhow. We're in the truck now. We're gonna put it in reverse. You see the reverse lights come on. And yes, the other one does come on too. I can see it from in here. Now we're gonna test if the functions actually work. Oh yeah, that works. And another thing, these mirrors seem to be a lot clearer than my other ones too. Now we'll test this side. All right, now we tested all the features. We're gonna take this thing for a drive and see if they have any vibration to them. All right, decided to drive down one of the bumpy roads here, an old dirt road. And as you can see, the mirrors are not vibrating all that much. Oops. Not too bad. And there's the passenger side. and I'll see you in the next video.